Friday, August 8th, 2025. I am here at Port 32 Marina, and this is a before video and inspection video of Shanthi. Let's go ahead and see how it is. Like it's got a lot of growth on it, but I've been chipping away a little bit here and there with the 5-in-1. It looks like everything will come off easy, so I am not going to say that it is an hourly. I believe I can get it done in time under a maintenance, but it is definitely a lot of growth. So I'm going to go ahead and try it and report back.